No person, agency, corporation, or company executive are above the law. We, as Americans, are all protected by the United States Constitution, and we are also supposed to be held liable for violating laws and regulations. That being said, the New York State Attorney General's office, who has a civil rights bureau, they're not above the law. That agency filed 7 perjury declarations in federal court in order to have my discrimination Title VII case based on the Civil Rights Act of 1964 dismissed in federal court. After I appealed that unjust dismissal to the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, a brief was submitted by the New York State Attorney General's office to that court, and the brief was prepared by Nancy Spiegel, Assistant Solicitor General, and Denise A. Hartman, Assistant Solicitor General. And both of these attorneys, I believe, filed false statements in this brief. An example of false statements filed and their failure to correct the Assistant Attorney General, Mike Russo, in this case, can be found on page 33. At G, it deals with my retaliatory claim that after I filed a formal complaint with New York State Division of Human Rights on July the 5th, 1996, I was retaliatorily escorted out of Albion Correctional Facility on August the 6th, 1996. The defendants were aware on August 6th that I had filed the complaint on July 5th. And those two attorneys write, plaintiff asserts that she was either discriminated against or retaliated against when she was escorted from the facility by 2 correctional officers, one of whom was her union representative on August 6, 1996. Both of these attorneys know that my complaint alleges that on August 6, 1996, I was escorted out of Albion Correctional Facility by C.O. Frost in his capacity as Vice President of Council 82 Union and Sergeant Fasano as my immediate supervisor next to a correctional officer. Officers and other staff are only escorted out of a prison if they are facing serious disciplinary charges, have committed a crime, have been found guilty of a crime, or have had an improper relationship with the inmate. And I hadn't done any of those things, so the only explanation left is that in retaliation, Deputy Berbary ordered that I be escorted out of Albion Correctional Facility. Please examine the documents that's uploaded and also the documents and depositions statements enclosed in the link on this report to support this case and my factual allegation that New York State Attorney General's office files perjury declarations in federal court, and they continue to lie in their own declaration and briefs filed to deny me, an American citizen, equal protection and due process under the law. Thank you very much.